So it is 7 Celsius outside, but look at the sky and look at the clouds at the far distance. And we are going to pass through Easthorpe. These are small little villages around Markstay and the town of Colchester. Colchester is the oldest, not the largest, it's the oldest recorded town in the history of Britain. Probably much older than Romans' invasion of United Kingdom, or at that time it was not United Kingdom, it was England. So yeah, this is, I'm going towards Ilford. So this is the path that I'm taking today, and look at the beautiful scenery outside. Wow, canopies and trees and everything. Look here. All right, better stop. Right, look at this beautiful road. It's 30 miles limit because we're passing through town, and look at the canopy. Wow, nice one, yeah. Wow, what a beautiful day. But the temperature is 9 degrees Celsius. So never go by what you see through the window. Yeah. ये इंग्लैंड है पापियो, इंग्लैंड देख लो, इंग्लैंड. Yeah, beautiful road, isn't it? Yeah, हम जा रहे हैं A12 is an arterial road connecting Essex and London. I think it goes all the way to Felixstowe or probably some other way, but yeah. All right, better. Okay, better stop.